This car is a 65 Series 1. This dark blue is actually a factory color, factory interior tan. Both the cars we're looking at here are getting their tops put on within the next week or two. And then the green car will have its nose put on, or the bonnet. And once that's done, they're pretty much ready to go to the customer. We've got a lot of sorting to do on both of these cars, mostly because they're complete nut and bolt cars. We took everything off of these cars and rebuilt them from the ground up. There isn't, we exploded the whole car. There isn't anything that wasn't taken apart, cleaned, plated, or painted. Over here, another Series 1 car that we've had for a bit, but the car's been put together for a while. It had been painted. We painted it here. It's a kind of a gunmetal gray. It's not really a stock Jaguar color, although the interior is. Kind of can't wait to get everything put together right now. With being a coupe, they require a little bit more work when you put the interior in. We did a new headliner. All of the seats are just about finished. We had those recovered. It's really a handsome car. Little by little, it's coming together. All three run. All three have been actually driven. We just got to make sure that we call them the break-in period. You know, when we sort them out, like it or not, when you take every piece off a car and you put it back together again, you need a little bit of time to make sure that every nut and bolt is again tightened just properly, and that if something does come loose, we're there to fix it right away.